Good morning or good day, and welcome back to Travels with Bert. I'm glad you could join us. Today, us is Anna, who's just rushed inside to find the owner so we can get a proper tour. And Bert is here, of course, and I'm sure you know that I'm Paul. And where the heck are we? Well, we're in Don Sak, which is a place we've been to a few times before. You probably remember there's a big temple over there, and then we went to the island called Rat, which is over there somewhere. But today we're at a place called the Fish Stone Museum, which explains this big guy behind me. But actually, if you translate the Thai name, it's called the Rockfish Museum, but it's the same idea. But neither of those names will help you find it on Google Maps, because for some bizarre reason the name is only shown in Italian. Il Museo dei Pesci di Pietra. Almost right. Anyways, if you hadn't noticed, I have started putting the GPS coordinates in the description area down below. It's down there somewhere. So you can dig those out and stick them into Google Maps and find out where we are. Anyway, rather than standing around here babbling, let's go inside and join Anna, who I believe is now with the owner, Khun Kitti. The first thing you'll see is what looks like just a pile of rocks hiding under a shed with a tin roof. But trust me, the place is far more interesting than that. Khun Kitti is not just the owner, but he's the guy who's carved all of the fish that you're about to see. He's originally from Phetchaburi province, which is about 7 or 8 hours north of here, where he was a fisherman. But he moved to Surat Thani province with his family, which is where we are now, and he founded the museum in 1990. His idea was to carve all of the types of fish and sea creatures that can be found in the Gulf of Thailand, so that the information could be retained for future generations. And he's done that. In fact, he's run out of fish to carve. But given that it's taken him more than 30 years, that's no mean feat. It's not obvious as you walk around, but actually there's more than 3,000 pieces here. So let's keep nosing around.
This is one of my favorite sweet peanuts. ถั่วตัด
มีคนกินก็อันนี้เปียกปูนนะ
ขนมเปียกปูน
ชั้น
และขนมชั้น
อันนี้โบโลไทยหวาน
ว้าว อันนี้ของเจ้าเลย
อันนี้ขนมไส้ปู
อ่า
That one?
like a
กับ
cake
ทิมกรอบ
this is grenadine one of my favorite
พยา
ค่ะ
ยามปลากระป๋อง
What is it?
fit in can
I see what?
the fit in can this is fit and
Oh,
this is
yeah.
can
ผมไปอบรมที่กรุงเทพ
it's ready to serve
Yeah. Well, these are the best ones, eh?
yeah
Save
this
the
is
best for last.
one.
So, you've seen it now. Something a bit different. Hope you enjoyed it. Anna is just bidding our farewells and leaving an appropriate donation in Khun Kitti's donation box, which of course are always appreciated. The place is free. You can come here and you can wander around, but of course donations are nice. And that just leaves me with enough time to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. And so it's goodbye from Anna, and it's goodbye from Bert, and of course it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.